where bright is, continue on the place where we left. Okay, on edit. Okay, this is part 2, and we want to go through these commands here, these 4 commands here. Okay, so let's do it fast and finish it. Okay, finish the edit and come to the next portion. Okay, so what I want you to do here is that, okay, let's, with this object, we take it, let's say I reduce the sizes of this one. Okay, let's do it fast. Okay, so what I want us to do here is that now we have these 2 objects here, or let's say 3. Okay, and 3. What I want us now, when you select, you can see the size of the width here. Okay, then outline. Okay, so it's 2. Okay, so let's assume it's 16. You see it's very thick. Okay, now, and let's see this one too. This one is 2. Okay, now when you select one of them and then you come here, you come to copy properties. Now copy properties, you see the outline pen. When you say outline pen, that is what is here. Okay, the pen. Okay, the outline. So you pick it, you pick this one, you click. Now if you want this one to take this, you click this one, then it changes. Have you seen it? That is the purpose of this copy properties. Okay, the outline. So any size you want, you just do it the way we did it right now. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. That's the main reason of this one is finished. And then we come to outline color. Now when we say outline color, let me say maybe this, you have a lot of works and then they have different colors of the outline. Now please, if you want to get the outline colors, you can pick it from here, and then the short one also is here. But let's if I'll come here, let's do it here. Okay, so you double click here. Okay, you double click this place, and then you pick maybe, let's say, pink. Okay, and then okay, so that is it. Okay, so now you come to this place, and then now the reason why you are coming here is that when you have this box, okay, this box, you have it plenty. Let's say copy and paste. Let's paste 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then I paste 5. Okay, I have to go and do it at this place, but let's work it. So I have it 5 here. Okay, now this 5 that I have it, or 5, is it 5? Okay, 4. Okay, now instead of for me to do it one by one, go there, take a color, go there, and I want this particular color to take all over this place. All I need is that select. Okay, and then you come here, go to copy properties, and then pick the outline color, then you just click. Now if you don't take this one off, and maybe there's a thickness of it and you don't want it to happen here, it will affect it. So you have to remember and take from there, or if you wanted to keep it, then I take it off. You want to experience the color alone, so then you hit it. Then at first, that's all. That is all. So let's go to the fill side. Let's select first. We select this one, the one that we want the effect to take. Then we select, then we come, then it's there, we click OK, and then you click, and then that is it. So that is the main purpose of these options here. I hope now you understand. So if you have a text too, the same thing. We don't have text here, so but if you have a text and you want to do the same, it is the same process. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so as now you've understood that place. Now when you go there, you know what is there. Okay, that is the main thing. So let's say steps between steps and repeat. Now when we say steps and repeat, we click on it and then come there, set. Now you have to, when you set this place, is normally is 25, and here too is 25. Okay, so notice it, and this place is sometimes 2 or 1. I don't know, but it's 2. Okay, so the copies is a number of copies of this one. So you see I repeated this place 5 times, and I copy and paste, but I need 5. I can come and do it here. I need to copy 10, or let's say 7. Okay, so you just apply, then you see that it comes plenty like that. Okay, so that is the purpose of this place. And then the distance is, okay, distance is 0.25. okay, now this place is 0.25. that is this portion. Let's say you see this area where the cursor is showing, okay, and this place, okay, that is 0.25. okay, at this horizontal and vertical. Okay, the horizontal and vertical side, that is what is here. So you need to set it the way you want it. Okay, when you set it the way you want it, it will come. But anyhow, the reason why is that if you need to copy a lot of things, okay, then you come and do it very fast. Maybe you want to copy a particular shape, maybe 10 or 20 at a time, then you come and use this place. And then the distance, the reason is that for you to see. Okay, let me give you an example again for you to see the difference. Let me place this one here. Okay, now assuming here is 0, and here too is 0, and then 7. Okay, and then you want to repeat, copy this one 7 times. Now when you apply, you see that this time it has been copied, but it is on it and you don't see it. That is the purpose of here, because I cleaned those numbers here. Okay, so please pay attention and notice it. So it has been copied. So when I drag, then you have to come and do it one by one. Okay, up to the 7. Okay, so that is it, the 7. I'll be saying that whole thing. So that is the reason why they give the space here. So you give it, okay. And then when you click this plate, we have no offset. When you put it in no offset, it means you don't want to show anything at all. Okay, so pay attention. And spacing, okay, spacing between the objects. When you set it there to that one to give you the same, but it will give you long distances and stuff. So the same thing, but you have to go through and then understand, do more practice of it. So as you have seen this one, go through and do more practice about it and learn more. Okay, so that is all about what I want to tell you here, and I will say we want to continue. So I hope now you understood. Okay, so let's delete everything here. Let's delete it away, then we create one again. I love it that way. Okay, so I don't want let's go to last one, I think. Okay, so please tick this place so that it will go off, and then we come to select object. Now when we say select object, have any objects, like, okay, please let me go back and check the one I deleted before so that you can understand more. Okay, I'll do delete. Okay, this is it. So assuming like I want to select, I have to select with the mouse. It's fast, good. We want to select by using the edit portion. Okay, then you come to select. Now select object. Okay, then to select all. Okay, that is it. The same thing when you have a text. Okay, then you select the text. If you have guidelines, okay, you to select the guideline. Guidelines are picked from the ruler. This place is called a ruler. Okay, this is the guideline, and this is a guideline. Okay, so when it is like this, you see blue. Okay, or yes. So you just come and then you select all the guidelines. It will become orange. Then you delete. Okay, so that is all. Okay, please. I hope you understand me. Okay, then you delete it. So let's assume we want to delete all the objects. We select, and then we delete. Okay, so that is it. Then you go and then you come to find here this the object. Okay, let's come back again to the object, undo. Okay, so let's assume you want to find object or text. Okay, if you have a text, let's put some text here. Okay, let's try to write something. Korea. Okay, draw. Okay, we put CorelDraw. CorelDraw. Okay, so let's assume we have something like this, CorelDraw. Okay, I'm just giving a demonstration so that you can understand, but when you understand, you can do your own thing. Okay, so this is it. Okay, now we have, let's say, copy and paste. So I have two texts here, or I have plenty of text, and then you want a particular text to edit, and you can't find it in that thing. You go to find here, find and replace. So you can find objects, you can find object, you can find and replace object, you can find text. Okay, so when you click on find object, you come here, and then any object that you put in it on the drawing board is here. You can see curves, shapes, any shape, rectangle, text. So this place is text, so let's pick text. Okay, then when you say text, you click on this place, and then you go to next, and then you go to next, and then you finish. You can see it's selected. Now this find next text, and then you find next text. Okay, assuming you are using Word to find something. Okay, so this is the purpose of the whole thing. If you finish and you want to search more, edit more, and find more, you go back here, and then you do that. Okay, so this is the main reason why of this, but you can see the examples here. Okay, select the object, and so you can read through and go through and see. So that is it, and then you can see more. There are more there. Okay, please, I will explain, but I don't want the time to go. So since you've seen it, you go through and then practice. Okay, I did that, and that is what I used to do, and then get to know CorelDraw. So you have to do it. When you do it and you have a problem, don't worry, don't fear. Give me a comment. I'll help you there. Okay, let me be your coach. Okay, so the same thing, anything you want here is here. You can do everything. Okay, go through it, practice, play with it, play like practice, and then you know more. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, so I think we finished. Okay, so it's finished. So we would like to end it here. Okay, I love you all. Please subscribe to see the next video, and I'm going to teach more. Okay, I'm going through all this CorelDraw thing. We will come to the tools. I'll teach you how to use the tools, how to use everything, and after you've known everything in your mind and you gather all to become master on your own, and then you do creative or design that you want, I will teach you how to design, and then how to do your logos and your labels, your what posters, what you can use CorelDraw to do all things. It's called CorelDraw. It's used for drawing. Okay, like Illustrator, Adobe. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I love you all. Thank you. Bye bye.